guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, and I am sick, and I knew this would happen. I knew that being like emotionally exhausted and physically exhausted for 4 weeks would make me sick. It happened at Christmas and it's happened again. So I'm sick and I'm hopefully gonna get over it in the next couple of days. Like the last week I have been trying to finalize everything for the old apartment. I can't believe how much stuff were in my old 2 storage cupboards. Those 2 cupboards took more time to clean out than anything else in the apartment. I handed the keys back yesterday. It feels amazing. Now I get to spend all of my energy and time concentrating on making this place feel really, really good, which I'm very excited about. So last week, Mitch and I went to Ikea and Kmart to get Rachel and Mitchell like a set of chest of drawers and some meal prep bowls. And then I also wanted to get a couple of things to help me get a little bit more organized and just kind of like style up my new place. So after being in Kmart, I realized that there were some things that were missing, and so I did an order as well. So I have a big haul of different stuff from Kmart and Ikea today that I wanted to share with you. So let's start with the storage stuff. So I decided to kind of do some storage stuff in my wardrobe, and I'm going to insert a photo of Kmart's like mock-up wardrobe. It's beautiful, and I saw this on their website, so I decided to buy some things that they had on their display. So I got 2 of these gray, what is it called? Suede, velvet, not velvet, suede, felt boxes, that's what they are. They're just plain boxes, and I've decided to put these 2 at the bottom of my wardrobe because I've never had any storage for my shoes, that like my flats or my sneakers or my runners or my joggers, whatever you want to call them. My flat shoes that kind of just lay on the bottom of my wardrobe. In my last wardrobe, there was just a big pile of shoes on the ground. And so this time I've got 2 boxes and I can fit all of my shoes neatly in them, and it just cleans up the whole space, and I really like that. And then the other storage box that I got was this one. It's kind of more of a basket. It's woven, it's gray and white, kind of fabric inside, has 2 handles. And I think these were on the top shelf of that mock-up, and I really liked the idea of it. So in my old place, I had a chest of drawers, and the bottom drawer was entirely accessories, belts, headpieces, hats, clutches, bags, all that kind of stuff. And now that I have sold that chest of drawers, I don't actually have anywhere to put all that stuff, and it's still just in bags in the garage. So I got one of these baskets to put on the top shelf, and now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm going to get a second one because I think it would look really good just having 2 baskets. Like, you won't see anything else other than just the baskets. It'll look really, really neat. And so I've done that, and I think that's really good. I can't remember how much this stuff is, but I will try and link as much of everything in the description as I can. The next thing I have is this white little garbage can from Kmart for my bathroom. This is actually what I wanted to go and pick up in store, but they didn't have it in store, so this is why I did an online order. And I wanted the garbage can, but then I just ended up buying a bunch of other stuff. So this is for my bathroom. I've decided to kind of go white-ish stuff on the floor. I don't even know if this is starting to make sense. This is my, oh my goodness. So I'm sick and nothing makes sense to me, and I find it really hard to like make sense of sentences. Dan was laughing at me before on the phone because I couldn't talk properly. So the stuff that's on the floor in my bathroom, like my toilet brush and my bin, is white, and I decided to upgrade and get a nice one, and this one is from Freedom. It's just silver and white ceramic, and I think it just looks really nice. It was about $17. The last one I had was just like a little black plastic thing that's like $3 from Ikea, and so I was like, I think it's time to get a nice sort of floor stuff, garbage bin, toilet cleaner, whatever. So I've done that. And then also for my bathroom, and just totally random, I got 2 of these beautiful, and they're actually quite big, floor mats, like bath mats. It's kind of a loopy, woven kind of like style, texture. I don't actually know what the heck to call that. But I got 2 of them because the bathroom floor in there is actually quite large, and so one bathroom mat doesn't cut it, and I only own 2 bathroom mats, and one of them's in the wash. And so I needed some extra ones just because I like to have my bathroom floors kind of covered. So I've got 2 of these, and I think it just fills the space really, really nicely. So I'm quite happy with that. And I think these were like $12 each. So I think that's pretty much all of the Kmart stuff. I also went to Ikea and I got some storage boxes to organize those 2 other random storage cupboards that I had. I really, really needed that stuff. But I also picked up these 2 frames. They're like $12 each, so affordable. They're actually pretty light and flimsy. They're not like solid frames, which is probably a good thing because I won't need much to hang them on the wall. They're 50 by 70 centimeters. I don't know if this is an odd size because I've been trying all over Etsy and Society6 to find prints that I would like to either buy in print form and put in these frames, or as a digital download and then go and take them to like Officeworks and print them. But I have 2 of them and I would like to put them sort of portrait way, both of them above my bed head. I just think that would be really nice. And I need to find some like prints that I can put in there. I'm really picky and I've been looking for days. I've been going through hundreds and hundreds of selections, but when I find the right ones, you just know it'll be the right ones and I'll get them and then I can hang them above my bed. And then a little more on the fun side of things. This is this decor piece that I got from Freedom and I had fun making this. We were in Freedom the other week, Rachel's getting some furniture, and there was a giant bin of like all of these stick things and I just started playing. I found a vase on one of the shelves and I just started playing. And Rachel was like, "Are you buying a display?" And I was like, "Actually, no, I'm not. I'm pretty pleased with myself. It looks good. But no, I made this." So I was just playing around and then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get this. So I've got 1 white stick, I've got 2 gold ones, and then I don't know what this is. It's like another shiny kind of color for this one. And then this gray like vase. And I was gonna splurge and get them all, but when I went to pay for it all of the stick things were half price. The vase was still full price, but I actually found it to be quite affordable when I got it all. And I've decided that I think I'm gonna base a lot of my room decor kind of this really cozy muted gold feel, because I have a vase on the top shelf of that bookshelf behind me that's like the same color as this. It's not like that yellow gold, it's a little bit muted and I like it. So I really love this and I'm excited to kind of build a bit of a theme around that piece. Another fun thing that I've added to my bedroom, which is so cute, I saw these and I was like, they're just so cute, are these like complimentary matching pillows that say big spoon with a big spoon illustration and then a little spoon with a little spoon illustration on them. I think they're so cute. There's so many different ones on the website. There's some really fun ones and some really cute ones, and I just really liked the spoons. I thought that was really fun, so I decided to get those just for fun for my bed. So I just wanted to do that, and I think they're really cute. And the last thing that I have to share with you is kind of a bit of a splurge item, and it's not really a splurge because it wasn't particularly expensive. It's just an odd thing. I didn't really need it and I decided to get it, and that is this what do you call it, ottoman. This pink suede ottoman that I got from Kmart. It was like $29 or something, and I just really like it. I don't know if I'm going for like a pink theme. It looks like it. I'm even wearing pink right now. I don't know if that's really what I'm going for. I just kind of wanted a few pops of this like millennial or baby pink or whatever it's called. But I really like this and I think it's very cute. So I think that's pretty much everything that I've got at the moment. I'm going to be doing like a big office makeover video because I've decided to put a bit more effort into creating my office space, as it's going to be the place that I spend the most amount of time. So I'm researching and trying to find some nice furniture pieces for that one. I've never really invested into nicer furniture pieces. I've always just gone for the cheaper and the easier options like Ikea. So I'm looking to kind of build something really nice in that office space, and I can't wait to share that with you. And yeah, my throat is so flippin' sore right now, and I'm sorry, I'm so sick of my voice. I bet you guys are sick of it too. I hope you've enjoyed this little haul. I really hope I haven't left anything out. But let me know if you have any of these things or how you've styled things up. I think my favorite things are the storage boxes for the wardrobe because it just makes everything look so neat, and I'm still so obsessed with that Kmart like wardrobe display. It looks amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Up the top here you can check out my last video. Down the bottom I'll leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'm gonna go to sleep now, and hopefully in my next video I won't sound like this because it hurts and I sound ridiculous. But I will see you in my next one. Bye.